is that we call shoot the ball, pass the ball, shoot the ball. Since mga buwang naman ta, di ba day? Mga kuwan lang, mga batanon. Okay, mga batanon. Mga batanon day. Since mga batanon man ta, atong i-mix tanan ang atong mga instructions. Okay? The only thing you do is to follow my instruction. Ang galon is considered ball. Mali itong bola. Okay? Okay mga mami, nakuha. Mali na itong bola. Kung ingon dahil si kuya o dribble the ball, ang buhaton, ayan, naon lang nato ang bola. Dribble the ball. Turn around. Turn around. Yes, turn around. Okay. Isa lang at Helena, kinalipo. Kinain mga kuhan. Turn around. Okay, pass the ball. Turn around. Do ocho. Okay, jump. Okay, and shoot the ball. I-shoot na ito. Pwede na ito i-goal. I-dunk na ito kumbaga. Dunk na karon. Isunod na ito sa atong human race. Hi! Hello! Hi! Number 1, pass the ball to number 2! Number 2, jump! Jump! Turn around! Pass to number 3! Number 3, turn around! Jump! Do ocho! Turn around! Pass to number 5! Number 5, jump! 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 Grabe si Mami, may mating ang baba. Ilana na basketball player before. Okay. So, nag-ana na no? Very simple mechanics sa pagsubahan. Okay mga Mami, are you ready? Yes! Hi! Hello! Number 1, pass the ball to number 3. Number 3, throw a toss. Turn around. Pass the ball number 4. Number 4, wheel, shake your body. Shake your body. Jump. Pass to number 2. Number 2, shake your body.